I am reviewing the Sony Xperia 1 Mark III. The technology are available in the smartphone. GSM, HSPA, LTE and 5G technology are available in the smartphone. The launch data of this smartphone are not announced yet. The Xperia 1 Mark III should be announced at the end of the February 2021 if they are as usual. The body of this smartphone dimension 165.1 by 71.1 by 7.6 mm. Glass front is made from the Gorilla Glass 6. Glass back is also made from the Gorilla Glass 6 and aluminum frame. The weight of this smartphone 181 grams. There are two colors available in this smartphone, black and purple. The display of this smartphone display type OLED Capacitive touchscreen 16 mm color. The display size of this smartphone 6.5 inch. The resolution of the display 1644 by 3840 pixels. 643 ppi density. The protection of the display Corning Gorilla Glass 6. Now I am talking about the screen ratio 85.8% screen to body ratio. 120 Hz refresh rate HDR-BT 2020 HDR10 Plus. The basic specification of this smartphone, the operating system of this smartphone Android 11. The chipset of this smartphone Qualcomm Snapdragon 888. The CPU of this smartphone octa-core and the GPU of also this smartphone Adreno 660. The memory of this smartphone card slot to micro SD user share SIM slot. The RAM of this smartphone 12 GB. And the storage capacity of this smartphone at different types 256 GB and 512 GB. The camera of this smartphone main camera. The main camera are quad camera, 12.2 megapixel wide camera, 16 megapixel telephoto camera, 12 megapixel ultra wide camera and 0.3 megapixel depth camera. The feature of the main camera is optics, LED, flash panorama HDR. The selfie camera of this smartphone is a single camera, 12 megapixel wide camera. The feature of the selfie camera HDR. Now I am talking about the battery of this smartphone 4250 mAh non-removable battery. Fast charging. The connectivity of this smartphone GPS with the GPS. The USB of this smartphone 3.1 Type-C 1.0 reversible connector. USB on the go. The Bluetooth of this smartphone 5.1 A2DP LE. Wi-Fi 802.11 dual band Wi-Fi direct DLNA hotspot. The FM radio is not available in this smartphone. Thanks for watching our video. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, like and share the video. If watching more video about a smartphone, and please check the description. Or any question about the smartphone, to please leave the comment and I will try to reply.